Hey, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am bringing my Look Fantastic Beauty Box. This is for the month of April. So if you want to know what I received, go ahead and stick around. Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video and unboxing. My name is Mary, and if this is your first time stopping by, hey, hello, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for rocking with me on another video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you my April Look Fantastic Beauty Box. If you love subscription boxes, unboxings, reviews, I'm your girl. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into this box. And I love that Look Fantastic. They have like a different box or a different color for the box each month. Like I think last month this was a bright red, burgundy, pink color. But yes, I love this color. So when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. Hold on one second, guys. Alright guys, as I was saying, when you first open up the box, this is what it looks like. It has your product card and your products. And it looks like this month, let's see, I don't know, but this is what the card looks like, the booklet, and basically it just says edit, there's power in the formula. 6 incredible new products to discover, and you know it has the editor's notes. Yeah, and basically this is telling me what's in my box or what possibly could be in my box. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started in opening up this box. And I don't know with this box, it doesn't like give me prices, but as always everything will be linked down in the description box below. But it does give me prices. So yeah, let's see. Go ahead and open it. And this box was kind of heavy. So yeah, that's what everything looks like. So let's start off with this. And this looks kind of dirty. Evidently something waste or something. But anyway, this is by Molton Brown London, and it is a Heavenly Gingerly Bath and Shower Gel, which is that right there. And it is 100 millimeters. It says each beauty box contains a selection of these must-have. So yeah, that is what that looks like. I'm not going to, well, does it have a seal? It does. Well, no it doesn't. Let's see. Whoa. I do smell like the ginger. Okay. Well, look forward to using that. Once again, that is the bath and shower gel. The next item that we have here looks like it is by Ren Clear Skin, and this is a body serum. That is what that looks like. And this is yeah, this is 50 millimeters. And like I said, it is by Ren. It's AHA Smart Body Serum. Does this have a safety seal on it? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it does, because you have to tear it right there. So I'm not gonna open it. But basically it says gently massage all over body onto clean skin until absorbed. It is a moisturizing body serum with AHAs that work with the skin to naturally exfoliate, leaving skin radiant with a natural glow. Okay, so I do look forward to using that. The next product we have is by Avant, and this is a Hyalu Replenish Lip Balm, which is that right there. And it is 10 millimeters or 0.3 fluid ounces. And basically, oh gosh, that writing. Well, we all know what a lip balm is. I'm trying to figure out, because y'all see that like little dusty part right there. I don't know what that came out of, but that is a lip balm. And I'm getting used to, well, not getting used to, but I am loving lip balms, lip oils, lip serums, lip masks. I'm loving all of that because I'm not really a lipstick person. I'm more of like a lip gloss, lip oil person. But yeah. Alright. So the next item that we have is by Kingsley. And this is an Elasticizer booster. Restoring conditioning. Oh, this is like a shampoo. That is what that is. Basically, it's just a shampoo. Shampoo your hair with it. Probably not going to use that because, yeah. The next product that we have is by Verso. It is a hydration serum with niacinamide, 0.35 fluid ounces. That is what that looks like. Basic says hydrating face serum with niacinamide. Alright, and you just put it on your face. That is what that looks like. Alright, it looks like the last product, and this is probably why the box is so heavy. We have a body balm after shaving. Looks like it is by, let's see, is it on here by, I don't see it on here. But anyway, it is Australian Bodycare. It is a tea tree oil. So that is what that looks like. Alright. Basically, it says, use Australian Body Care products as part of your daily skin care routine. Will help you keep your skin and hair naturally clean and healthy. Tea tree oil is a natural essential oil with many benefits. It effectively renews, cleanses, and nourishes your skin and hair. Alrighty, it says, moisturizing after shave body balm with natural Australian tea tree oil helps prevent ingrown hairs and red spots that often occur after shaving. After shaving, gently dry the skin with a clean towel. Massage the balm into the just shaving area and let dry. Do not rinse. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. It's 200 millimeters, 7 full ounces. And that is what it looks like. Okay. Basically, don't rinse. Does this? Oh, it has a safety seal on it, so I'm not gonna break it. I don't know if I will be using this or not. So I got a total of 6 products, y'all. And yeah, that is everything that I received in my Look Fantastic box for the month of April. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10 on this box, I would give it maybe a 5.5. Some of the products I'm probably going to use. The majority of them I'm not going to use. So let's just recap. Once again, this is the Ren Clean Skincare Body Serum. I also received this bath and shower gel. As we all just saw, this is the body balm after shaving tea tree oil. Also, I received the Verso hydration serum with niacinamide. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Hopefully I'm not butchering the name. And also the Avant lip balm. And last but not least, the Elasticizer booster after shampoo. So yeah, you already know what to do. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And if you made it to the end of the video and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? So leave me a comment down below in the what was I saying? Wow. Okay, leave me a comment down below if you tried the Lookfantastic Beauty Box, or if you've even heard of these products. I've heard, I think, 2 of them. So yeah, until the next video, you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Mwah.